Trap the R&B, drill the pop, one line in, then the whole thing drop. Sonauto running the game, no debate. One prompt in, full hit out the gate. Moving digital, wait in the night. Whole soundtrack built on site.
Yeah, that song was generated by AI, and it's not even the craziest one. Sonauto version 3 is the real deal, and I've spent multiple hours generating songs, basically building my own AI playlist and improving my song creation workflow in the process. Before that, most AI music generators would generate good instrumentals, but the vocals always felt mid, because they were sung by random NPCs. I don't think these tools can replace artists, but they'll definitely become part of their creative process. Artists can generate tracks in their own style and get ideas for hooks, melodies, and flows. And guess what? You can do that too. And the crazy part is you get unlimited generations completely free right now. So stock up on the Fuego while you can. By the way, my name is Tech Honin, and I'm passionate about AI tools, tech, and optimizing your digital life. Now, let me show you the secret workflow that gives you the most consistent results to generate songs, such as this unreleased Travis Scott banger.
Ooh, codeine, crush stripes, dripping on my V-long shirt, living on the edge till I'm sleeping in the dirt. Trap, blow me. I don't need no day job. Pull up in a ghost looking like a whole mob. Diamonds biting hard, biting hard, biting hard. Left the parking lot and I headed for the stars. Chains making heavy gold teeth, new with fast life.
Or even this old school The Weeknd song that feels like it's coming straight out of his early albums.
I don't feel a thing but the pill, but the pill, but the pill. Yeah, she want a boss in the back. Double cup and the color is black. Everything I want, I'ma take, I'ma take, I'ma take.
Alright, let's fire up the screen recording and start generating some heat. Once you've entered your credentials, you can go into the Make Music section. To have a good prompt, the first thing we'll do is go into the LLM of your choice. I'm going to be using Gemini for this tutorial. We'll enter the following prompt. You're going to be entering the artist that you want to emulate. So in my case, it's going to be Pop Smoke. The prompt that it generates will be our starting point. Once you're on this page, you can rename the project and we'll start the fun stuff.
I walk in the room, every bush on the floor. I want it all, I need some more. Everything custom, don't need a feature. Watch how I move, I got the juice. Nah, welcome to the party. Welcome to the party. Welcome to the party.
So this first song is pretty solid. The generation is only 2 minutes 10 and the chorus uses the same lyrics as an actual song from Pop Smoke. There is a little arrow next to the different elements that created this song. So we'll click on the arrow under lyrics and we'll click on the arrow under tags. And what that will do is get us into the advanced tab and copy the lyrics and the tags that have been there automatically. And the reason why I like to start by using the simple mode is that it automatically assigns tags that are relevant to the style that you're looking for. And for the lyrics, we'll go back into our LLM and paste the second prompt and input the name of the artist we're trying to emulate. And then we'll put a couple of slashes and grab the lyrics from our generation. I usually like to put them back into the prompt here, just in case I copy pasted some random stuff, which I always do. And I remove like extra sound effects. So we'll copy that, paste it here. As you can see, after 10%, it starts being playable. So we're not going to waste time and we're going to look at our second generation. It's good.
I'm with the gang and we moving. I'm in the reef, the ceiling is stars. I never say that I'm sorry.
Something that I noticed is that there's too many lines going on in the intro, and that's what you'll have to do, right? You'll have to adjust the lyrics, adjust the tags sometimes as well. We'll generate once again.
I'm with the gang and we moving. I'm in the reef, the ceiling is stars. I never said I'm sorry. Fresh off the lot, this Rory. 100 bands just for the...
Put the tag UK drill. Try to look for another type of drill. So I'll just put drill over here and there's a list that appears here. And I see New York drill. So that's what we'll go for. I'll remove the gangster rap. I'll add cloud rap because usually cloud rap adds a bit of bass and we'll see how that goes.
I never say that I'm sorry. Fresh out the lot, this Rory. 100 bands just for the party. Look, I'm on the island, we wildin'.
Decent. I'll remove cloud rap and see how that goes. I'll maybe put rhythmic just to see what that does as well. While doing so, I'll go back into the AI and I'll say, switch up the lyrics so it still sounds like Pop Smoke. Don't overload the intro and outro. I'll just paste that. Make sure we have everything going.
Hold on, I am the king of the city. I got the hitters all with me. Mo through the floor, she was green. Dripping so clean, it's a pity. Step in the room, it's a riot. Step in the room, it's it's alright. Step in the room, it's alright. Step in the room, it's alright.
Techonin from the future here. So from this point in the video, I just kept making small changes to the lyrics and to the tags until I had a song that I liked. It took me about 40 minutes, but I won't show you every single small little change that I've done and instead just show you the final result in a minute. But first, we'll talk about the editing and the exporting settings that Sonauto offers once you've generated a song that you like. And for the edit option over here, you have the extend option that you can use using the Model V3. You also have the replace option, but unfortunately, it's currently not compatible with the Model 3. And this is going to be a game changer when it will be, because sometimes you generate songs that you like most of it, but I've tried the Model V2 and it just completely changes the voice sometimes and the quality is really noticeably lower. So I don't recommend going through with that. And then you have use as a reference, which also uses the Model V2. So you won't be able to use that as well. Now, to me, the most underrated edit option is the get stems over here. So with that, you can basically wait a few seconds and it will separate the drums, the bass, the vocals, and the instrumental. And then you can remaster it later on in future versions of this AI. So that's something that I really recommend you do when you download a project. The thing is, obviously, you can click on the three dots over here and download. And I would recommend you download it in WAV. So what I really recommend you to do is to also save each individual stems, just in case. You never know when you're going to be using them. Smash the like if you found this video helpful. This was Techonin. See you next time.
Hold on. Wait, look. So, see, I'm in the sky. Look at the way that I fly. I am the guy. Never a reason to lie. Louis V down to the floor. I'm at the front of the store. Tell him I'm needing some more. Double the stack, never look back. I'm on the track, covered in black. Glisten, listen, I'm on a mission. Check out the way I position. Step in the spot, it's a movie. Step in the spot, it's a movie. Look at the wrist, I'm on the list. Don't get it twisted, I'm really gifted.